Good morning. It's Thursday, the 2nd of February 2017, and going straight to it, today on the ERX Chain Breakout system, we've got two potential opportunities on the GBP USD and GBP CHF. We have seen in the past 2 days GBP making bullish gains, and right now we have in the Tokyo session just a 21 pip range, and we can either have price break the high of the Tokyo session, the Asian session. Up to this point here, I know there is a level of resistance there, 40 pips to it, but then price can still break it to the upside, completing the daily ATR, which currently is at 15.117%. So it could continue pressing up, or price can make a temporary reversal to the downside. And this way there is a level of support there. There is a round number 2650 there, and we've got the daily pivot down here. So again, there are some levels of support and resistance on the way down, but can still break. Either way, we'll be prepared for what price does today. And the second one is the GBP CHF. GBP CHF, we have 2 days of bullish price action. Currently price is sitting on a round number 2550 number, and there is a mid-term level of resistance there. But if price continues to make an upward push, it's that round number there and that level there, the price will get to. The current range is only 28% gone today with respect to the average true range. On the downside, we've got the weekly pivot, we've got the daily pivot, we've got that level of support there, that major level of support, and there is a round number at 1.2500. So there are levels on the downside that could be considered as strong levels. So whilst taking a short trade, bear that in mind, that there are levels here to come against. Doesn't mean we can make money there. We just need to be aware of the potential for price to bounce at any of these levels here. When compared to the upside, we've got some freer area to profit from. Just keep an eye out on that. Okay, on the 5TT candle reversal system, yesterday we had this trade. This is GBP CHF, and we still have 25% of the trade open, but today we see prices beginning to make a minor pushback. But like we saw on the ERX Chain Breakout system, there is a better potential for price to continue to move up, but we will see. We'll see how things progress all through the day. My stop loss on this trade has been moved just below that major level of support there, so we'll keep an eye out on that. Another one to have a look at will be the USD CAD. With the USD CAD, we have there the bearish tail bar, and as you can see, my positions are set. So the opening position was a 5 micro lot position, the next level was a 0.01, next one 0.02, and last one 0.07, and that is the stop loss there, and the profit target is down there. So let's see what price does today. The ATR currently is at 50%, so price has moved 50% of the average true range today, And so when we see that from the open, price has moved 50 pips. So if we're going to go 100 pips on this pair, it is way below my target level. So this, if price stays true to the average true range, this could be a profitable trade. And that, if that happens, that will be minimum 5% return on that one trade. So that's good to see. Good to see. I think there is a potential on, yes, the Euro JPY. On the Euro JPY, we have a bearish tail bar there, and we've been filled in right now. This only has one trade open at 4 micro lots. And let's see if price will continue to push down below the round number 121.50 and that level of support 121.355. Today's ATR has moved 62%. Of today's price range has moved 62% of the ATR. So we still have some way to go. So let's see if we're gonna do 93 pips today. So we should be looking at somewhere around there for price to touch there. It doesn't mean it will close there. We'll touch it and then can push back again. But in that time, if price does that, this trade will be, I'll be taking profits at 25 pips and 50 pips. So we'll see how that ends up. All right. So hope today brings you some success in trading, and let's see you in the evening. Have a good trading day. Cheers.